everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we're opening up my Rocksbox. I am super excited. I honestly can't remember what pieces I picked this month. I know I looked and I chose some and I just slipped my mind, so it'll come back to me soon while I open it, I'm sure. If you do not know what Rocksbox is or have not seen any of my past videos, it is a jewelry rental service. So it's $21 a month and you get 3 pieces of jewelry at a time, and you can keep that jewelry for as long as you want to. You just have to pay that $21 a month. You have the option to purchase any of the jewelry pieces you do receive, and that $21 goes towards credit to the pieces. And it's super awesome. You also get like a discount just for being a Rocksbox member on the pieces, and they offer like such good jewelry on their website, like Kendra Scott, so many different brands. I'll show you what I got today. I often get asked what jewelry I'm wearing in my videos, and it's almost always a Rocksbox piece, so I've been really loving this. I've been getting it forever. If you guys are interested in getting your first Rocksbox free, I have a link for you. So you can try it totally free, 30 days, no commitment. You just have to cancel by the end of that 30 days and return your jewelry or purchase it by the end of that time frame. But yeah, totally awesome perk. I wish more boxes did this. I will leave my referral link that gives you that free month down below. And you can just use that link to browse their website and see the amazing pieces they have. They have something for everyone. I generally pick like earrings because that's like more what I'm into. I realized today, like I already filmed a video earlier before I went to lunch, I didn't put any jewelry on. So that's kind of how I decided to open this box. I'm like, you know what, I want to try some new earrings out. So let's get into it. So it comes in this amazing bag that's reusable. So it's free shipping there and back, and they give you a label in this bag. You can reseal, so they tell you exactly how to do it. So save this bag after you get it. Super convenient. I love that. So the pieces always come in this adorable box. I love it. And here's a card here on top that says, "But first, jewelry." And there'll be a little note from your stylist along with photos of the pieces you got, along with the pricing. So it gives like the retail price and then the member price. And if you keep all 3 of them, you get an additional $10 off. So that is awesome. So if I wanted to keep everything, the member price would be $148, but I have that credit, so it would be even less than that. So that is awesome. So I will keep this to the side just to reference the pricing and stuff. There's also a care card in here, which is really nice. It tells you how to take care of your jewelry. It says, "We strive to provide you with the highest quality pieces that with proper care will endure the test of time to ensure longevity of your jewelry piece." And that tells you like avoid contact with water, perfume, all of that. So super nice and convenient and useful tips. And then everything else is underneath this wrapping, and it says yay. The tissue paper is different this month. Usually they have the same color tissue paper. It's super cute still. So I have 3 bags in here along with the return label. So we have something here by Kendra Scott, kind of coming back to me. And then we have 2 pieces that are in these like Rocksbox bags. So super nice bags. You can actually use these bags to clean the pieces if you want. But let's start with the Kendra Scott piece. I love Kendra Scott stuff. And I got all earrings this month. So the earrings are in the bag and then inside some bubble wrap. And all of them always, in my experience, have appeared brand new. Some even have their like original tags on them and stuff. But these are the Kendra Scott earrings. So they're like good like everyday type piece, like jingles. So I'll have to decide what to put on at the end of this video, but here are these. I have like a cat hair or something on my nose, so if I keep like going like this, it's just itchy. I don't know what it is. So the Kendra Scott Sophie earrings in rose gold, and the member price is $55. So that is what these look like. Super cute. Then we'll see what's in this one. Ooh, I love Ava Rose. It's a brand I've fallen in love with like through Rocksbox. These are so pretty. So these are Ava Rose. It says made with genuine stone. Or like emerald or something. Let's see. So Austin earrings in gold and green jasper. The normal price is $65, but the member price is $35. I love the colors of these so much. I hope you guys can like see how pretty that green is. I love these. You guys know you're gonna be seeing me in all of these, like in all my upcoming videos. And the last pair, this is by Estero. I don't know if I've used this brand before or had anything by this brand before, but I thought these were really fun. So these right here are the Sandy Drops in multi. So the retail price is $45, but members can purchase this for $38. So each row is like different colors. I think this is so fun. And it's not really heavy. You know, sometimes when you see stuff like this, you wear it could have some weight to it. And like for me, like sometimes when earrings are too heavy, they fall off, and I wouldn't want that to happen. So these are fun. Let's try these on. So here are the earrings on. I like them. What do you guys think? What are your favorite pair this month? So we have these by Estero. Super fun. Just by first impressions, like first glance, I love these. Super cute, but I like these a lot too. And these are like, I mean, they're not boring, like they're beautiful, but you know, like they're like rose gold, pretty. I can wear these with pretty much everything, so that it will be really nice, but I'm liking these, so awesome. Let's see if there's any more information here. So just in case it wasn't clear, well, it says what happens next, so I'll just tell you that. So rock your stylist picks, wear your pieces for as long as you'd like, buy what you love, purchase your faves with your monthly $21 membership credit, and then send back for more. Use the prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So that is awesome. I try and do it like every month. I think this time it was like a month and a half because I was really loving my pieces last month. I just love Rocksbox so much. I think I've been getting it for like 2 years, maybe longer. I don't know. But yeah, again, I will leave that link down below that'll give you your first month totally free. Super awesome perk. I wish more boxes did that, like I already said. That would be awesome to try it out. I love that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.